Oh, the lazy. Oh, the lazy dog. Yes, he's so lazy. Lazy dog. Toby. Toby, you are so cute. Toby, what are you doing? Toby, get in your chair. Get in your chair. Get in your chair. Come on, get in the chair. Get in your chair. Get in your chair. Right here. No, get off the couch. Get on. Get over. Get in your chair. There's your chair. Sit. Get in your chair. 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 Come on, sit down. Get off the couch. Get in your chair. Sit. Good boy. This is Toby's chair. He sits there, flops on the chair, and watches TV. Don't you, Toby? Toby! Toby! This is Toby. I adopted him from the Waddle, the Michigan Basset Hound Rescue. He's going to see his friends and family in a month from now at the Michigan Basset Hound Party, Picnic and Parade. We're going to march down the parade with Toby and the baby and my daughter and the daddy and the cousins. We're all going to walk down the Waddle together with all the Basset Hounds. Maybe Tyler. Toby, look at Mama! Look at Mama! Oh! 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 Come on, howl! Howl for the mom. Howl for the mama. Howl for the mama! Come on! See, this is the TV he watches. He just sits there, chills out, and watches TV. He's so lazy. It's a lazy little Toby, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're the lazy little Toby, but he's so cute. Lazy. He's a good dog, too.